In this video, I'm going to show you how to set leverage on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you have to know is that this is only possible before you actually create your account for TradeLocker. So you can't actually set your leverage or change your leverage inside the TradeLocker platform. You can see it over here. It's going to say what the specific leverage for a specific instrument over here is. However, you can't actually change it. So to actually set it, before you actually sign into your account on TradeLocker, so with whichever broker you chose. For example, I chose Blue Markets over here. Of course, you can be on any other one as well, which actually supports TradeLocker. And over here, once you are creating your accounts, all of them will have an option. When you go to Accounts tab over here, you can select the account type, either standard, which is live, or demo. And then once you create that, you'll be able to select the currency, the balance, as well as the account leverage. Now, you'll be able to select your leverage, then you'll be able to create your account, and after that you can connect that to TradeLocker, and then you will have that set leverage which you set when you created your account. Now, of course, this is much easier on the demo accounts, like you can see over here, but of course it's also possible on the TradeLocker portal. So in case you have the access to the TradeLocker portal, you can go ahead and go to this admin platform, which is tradelocker.com/portal/adjust-leverage, and then you can go ahead, sign in with your name and your email in case you have access, and in here you'll be also able to adjust your leverage. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.